Hello viewers, welcome back to another video of Ignite Motorrad. Before starting, I would really like to thank all of you guys who showed us support on the first video, and I just hope that we go stronger in number. So we just started a new series called How to Be a Better Rider, and I hope all of you become better riders and respectful riders.
So in this episode, we are going to talk about riding gear. Riding gear is the most essential part of being a true-born rider. It is the rider's second skin and provides protection during accidents. Anyone who has been in some sort of crash and has been protected by any form of riding gear will tell you that it's better to be wearing it than not to be. The two things you must consider are quality of the product and fit and finish. So what are the things included in riding gear? Helmets, riding jackets, gloves, riding pants and shoes.
The most important part of your riding gear is a helmet. As a beginner rider, the first thing you should purchase is a good quality helmet. Now premium helmets these days can range from anything from 30 to 40,000 and can even go over a lakh. Now we're not Valentino Rossi, are we? Anything from 1500 rupees to 3000 rupees will suffice perfectly, such as this one. As for quality, anything with an ISI mark will guarantee you perfect material quality of the helmet. When you're purchasing a helmet, be sure to get a full face one, as all impacts on the face during a crash are generally in the chin and face area, which a half face helmet such as that one over there will not provide. However, a half face helmet is still better than no helmet, so if you do have to have one, get a half face one, but a full face one is always better.
Moving on to the next point is riding jackets. Now riding jackets are different because they are made of leather, textile and of padding. The really good ones have good thick padding which protect against heavy injuries and soak-up damage. They are essential because they protect your back, your spine, your shoulders, your arms, your elbows and some part of your neck. They should fit you perfectly and they should not restrict any movement. Restricted movement can be dangerous. Also, if you are a city rider, you can wear a hoodie or a thick garment, but let's not mistake it as a substitute for riding gear. Next up is gloves and pants. They are important because they protect the most sensitive parts of our skin, which is the hands and legs. A good pair of gloves will always give you a really good experience and safety. When you fall, your hands hits the ground first because that's a human tendency hardwired to protect your head. That is why your hands will get the most damage in case of a fall.
Now for riding pants, you can always buy them, but if on a budget, you can do the smart thing and buy knee guards. Riding pants have a thick layer too, but for beginners, it's better that you get a pair of knee guards and wear them over any pair of pants. If you're riding something big, powerful and heavy, it's best that you get pants as they provide a teeny bit of lumbar support. Now we come down to shoes. Riding shoes are expensive and unlike helmets and gloves, they should be a one-time investment. They are very sturdy and provide you with great grip over multiple surfaces. Yet, they are heavy and should be used on rides and not in city traffic.
They absorb most damage and prevent twisting of the foot. That's why you can see MotoGP riders getting back on their bikes immediately after being dragged with their bikes on the track with the entire bike weight on their foot. That's just how sturdy a riding shoe is. That's why a pair of oil-resistant, slip-free, sole-equipped sturdy riding shoes should be considered as a minimum. If you want to visualize what will happen to your foot in the event of a crash, take the shoes you use while riding and flex them from both sides or twist them. Now if this doesn't look like your foot will survive the crash, then it probably won't. One more point to be noted is just because your shoes were made by a company which makes riding shoes does not guarantee that they actually are riding shoes. For example, these are BMW shoes and these were made by Ducati. Both of these are casual shoes, but they're not equipped for protecting your foot. The best riding shoes are those which prevent twisting of your foot. Even if you don't want to spend a large sum of money on driver or rider focused shoes, you should get a pair of sturdy shoes for multi-purpose use anyways.
That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and please do comment down below what you feel about riding gear and what your suggestions are. Also, please tell us what we can improve so that we can create better quality videos, and please do all the formalities of like, comment and share, subscribe.